Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Ja. So right here I have turkey and onions sizzling in the pan. Then I have my pasta noodles that I'm going to add to my water. After my water comes to a boil, I put butter in it so the noodles wouldn't stick. Then right here I'm just stirring up my onions and my turkey meat. And here are my seasonings. I use salt, pepper, and Mrs. Dash along with Prego sauce. So I then added my noodles to the water after it boiled. And now I'm mashing up my meat and onions just to separate it a bit more because I want it in tiny pieces rather than big chunks. And then I took some Texas toast and sprinkled a little bit of cheese on it and popped it right into the oven. My meat is finally done and I'm just waiting on my noodles. My noodles are coming to a boil, so I chopped up cheese while I'm waiting for my noodles. And then I added my Prego sauce to the noodles now that they're done, and I added my meat. And I stirred it all together. Then I added my cheese chunks and stirred that together as well. And now we are all done. Yum.